Hello guys, so welcome to another YouTube video. So this is going to be a very simple and straightforward video. So if you are new to Forex, you are looking for how you can find a reliable broker, right? There are so many brokers. You don't really have to go with a specific broker, but there are so many options to consider. Whether it's allowed in your country, what are the payment methods? If you're in Ghana, Nigeria, you want to know if the payment method you can easily get access to is offered by the broker and readily available for you to make deposits and withdrawal. And you can also see the trading community if other people are using that broker. You don't want to be the only person who is using that specific broker. And the most important thing is to look up the broker to see if they are reliable and if they have the right licenses to operate, right? So you need to go with a regulated broker. So if you look at all these things and make sure, okay, they have the payment method, everything is okay, you need to make sure they are regulated. So there is this website that a lot of people know of. It's called WikiFX. So you head on to WikiFX, and this is the first one. So this is WikiFX app, Global Forex Broker Regulatory Inquiry app, right? So you go to WikiFX, let it load in a second, right? So this is a government website, not like Trustpilot where people give opinions. This is a government website which gives you all the Forex brokers and their government licenses, so you can look up every broker and know what kind of licenses they have and if they have the license to operate in the region you are. So let's look at some common brokers. So XNES, right? So you look at XNES. So right here you see XNES is regulated. You can click on XNES and it will give you more details about XNES. So XNES, so these are different types of XNES, but this is the one that we are looking for. XNES, like actual XNES. We have like so many different kind of XNES. So this is XNES is registered in Cyprus. It's been operating between 10 to the last 15 years, and you see they have a very high influence, and they have a 9.81 influence index in India, and they have a full license to operate MT4, MT5, right? And XNES looks good. These are the licenses they have. So they have the license, Cyprus market making license. They have the institution Forex license from the United Kingdom, FSC, FCA, and then they have the FSCA regulation from South Africa, and they also have offshore regulation from Seychelles and Seychelles retail Forex license. So yes, they are regulated. So if you're looking to compare between XNES, so their score is 8.38 out of 10, which is quite good. If you want to compare XNES to another broker like XM, right? XM market is also regulated. So XNES has 4 regulations, one in the UK, Seychelles, Cyprus, and South Africa, right? So let's click on XNES, XM, right? So see, in terms of regulation score, XM is way above XNES. This is 9.4 compared to XNES, which is 8.38, and this is all like government regulation. This is not based on like opinions, right? These are government licenses you can click on. So XM has the ASIC. So ASIC is a very high regulation, and this is the kind of a regulation that IC market has. So it has a market making Australian license. He has a Cyprus market making license. He has a license in Belize, and which country flag is this? Have no idea. DFSA, and then South African regulation, right? So this is excellent. So if you are comparing between XM and XNES, in terms of regulations, XM is better based on this website, and this is a government-based website. And in terms of ranking, it is higher than XNet. So I'm going to keep this video short, and you can look up other brokers. But at the end of the day, you want to, apart from looking at what kind of licenses they have, you want to consider if they have the right payment method and if they are flexible with verification. Because some brokers, you want to verify your account, it takes forever, and you know what I mean. And you want to make sure payment and withdrawal is fast, right? So yeah, if you like this video, comment below. Let me know what broker you are currently trading with, and if your broker is licensed after regulated after looking at this video. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment. You can see the link below. You can join the Telegram if you want to vibe with a gang. So see you in the next video.